What's up guys, cycling fanatics. Today I'm getting my power meter installed on the Los Angeles bike, so I'm pretty excited.
Day 3.
Yo! Hey!
How are you, man?
Good. How are you? Bonjour. Hey man. What's up?
Good to see you, pal.
Yeah, same. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. You know what time it is. It's NPR time. That's what I just did. I went on the NPR, but it was cold, it was dark, it was wet. So I didn't take out the camera. Riding back to the hotel. A little change of plans. We're supposed to get that power meter fixed on the bike, but something came up, so we're doing it this morning, just before I leave back to Amsterdam. I'm gonna clean up the bike a little bit because it got very dirty. And I just feel shit about this weather because now I have to take all this wet stuff in my suitcase back home. Everything is soaking wet. Maybe I can use that odor cleanse stuff to prevent everything from stinking real bad when I get home. Gonna go home, take a shower. Time to get this bike cleaned up because it got super dirty and we need to work on it in 20 minutes, so I need to hurry. Okay, good enough for now. Putting the stuff outside so it can dry up a little bit. And now I need to clean myself and the shower.
Eventually.
Okay, sweet, all cleaned up. Bike is clean, I'm clean. I've got all the stuff, cranks. I've got the new bottom bracket, my bike, the wheels. I have a little present for Ryan. I'm gonna go downstairs. He's gonna be here any minute now. Here we go, the mobile workshop.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hanging in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's get this bad boy going.
Yeah, it got very dirty, so I was cleaning it in the shower just now.
Perfect.
Alright, we've got the cranks, bearings, the mobile workshop, and we're doing it all in the parking lot of the hotel.
That's right.
So far, so good?
No rain.
No rain. Cleared up. So far it was pretty easy. I got up this far myself, but then I found out the bearings didn't fit. So right now we're gonna knock out the existing bearings and then replacing them with the bearings that actually fit my cranks. Bringing out the special tools to get the press fit bearings in the frame, and that's most of the work actually.
A few moments later.
We're getting there. The cranks are almost installed, pedals on, and I can try it out. Just picking up my wheels because it was too much to take all together. Because we're gonna swap back to the old aluminum wheels. Ryan is building a new wheel set for me, so pretty soon I'm gonna try it out. But now these babies go back. I've got Ryan a cup of coffee. He's got a lot of work to do today, so some caffeine will keep him going. Done. Cranks matching the rest of the bike. Very happy. Ryan, thanks again. Ryan's gonna be my go-to guy when it comes to maintenance. He's helped me out with my bent derailleur pad. He's helped me out again with the cranks. And oh yeah, I need to give this to him because he's a nice guy. Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
You should open it up. There's a collection of specialty beers.
Very nice.
So this says Belgian beer. So
Awesome. He's home tonight. He's at our house for a couple days.
good.
Yeah, so it's perfect timing.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Well, it's starting to rain now, so it looks like we just made it in time.
Perfect timing.
Pack up and go. Job done. Time to pack up my bags, fly home. Guys, if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification button. Stay tuned to check out what kind of training I'm doing all winter. And then I'm gonna see you next time. See ya! Oops. The stuff. Good. Training?
Yeah, I wanted to, I knew you were coming, I wanted to crash you, but
Yeah.
well, you know what? No,
What?
I'm good, I'm good.
Your bike broke.
I'm good. I don't have big rings, that's fine.
Oh fuck.
Oh,
It's the Di2.
Yeah, it's crap.
So maybe we have
Oh, you ran out of batteries?
No, I have battery, but the left side doesn't work.
And this one neither.
Yeah, no, that
Oh no.
everything on the left doesn't work. It's weird. No, that's fine, man. No worries. No worries. That's fine. Thank you.
Then you'll do a cadence training today. Yo! Fucking idiot! Idiot!